So, you're thinking about adding a screen enclosure to your Florida home? That's awesome. But a few simple mistakes, the kind you'd never see coming, can turn that dream into an incredibly stressful and expensive nightmare.
So today we're going to walk through the 5 most common and costly mistakes people make.
All right, let's dive right into mistake number 1. And this one is, well, it's literally foundational, skipping the proper permits and trying to build on an unapproved base.
A contractor might say, hey, we can save you some time and money by building on that slab you've already got, or even on packed dirt. Whoa, that is a massive red flag. Florida has strict codes for a very good reason.
Your project will fail inspection, which means hefty fines and all sorts of legal problems. An unpermitted structure can seriously hurt your home's resale value. And worst of all, you might be forced to tear the entire thing down and start over, costing you thousands.
And making sure everything is permitted and up to code should be 100% on your contractor. Okay, let's move on to mistake number 2. This is all about the nuts and bolts, or in this case, the mesh and the fasteners, the little things that actually hold your entire enclosure together. You know, it's so tempting to try and save a little money up front with cheaper components. But cheap mesh is just going to tear and fall apart under that intense Florida sun. But the real hidden danger? The fasteners. Using cheap galvanized screws in our humid, salty air can cause something called galvanic corrosion, which literally eats away at the aluminum frame. It weakens the entire structure from the inside out. The only solution is to insist on durable, UV-resistant mesh and stainless steel fasteners right from the get-go.
Okay, this next one is absolutely critical. It goes way beyond just money. This gets to the heart of your family's safety, ignoring Florida's strict wind and hurricane requirements.
Now, take a look at this. An enclosure might look perfectly fine to the naked eye, but if it's missing crucial reinforcements, like properly sized beams or those diagonal K-braces, it just doesn't have the muscle to stand up to the kind of winds we get in a storm.
And when a structure like that fails, the results are, well, they're catastrophic. You're not just looking at the cost of replacement and fines, you're looking at a major safety risk for your family and your home. And you can bet your insurance company is going to have a lot of tough questions about whether it was built to code.
Now this is how it's done right. A properly engineered structure is designed specifically for your area's wind zone. It's got reinforced beams, strong K-braces, and support cables all working together to create a rigid frame that can handle extreme weather. Now let's talk about the piece of paper that protects you and your investment. Mistake number 4 is signing a vague or incomplete contract. The scope of work isn't crystal clear, or there's no defined timeline. You are left completely exposed. This is why a good contract is your best friend. It needs to spell out everything: the specific type of mesh, all the labor costs, a confirmation of who is handling the permits, and a clear timeline with a payment schedule. And that brings us to our final and oh so common mistake: just assuming all those cool premium features you saw in the sales brochure are included in the base price. And the sticker shock when you realize this can be huge. Finding out these features weren't in the initial quote can dramatically inflate your final bill. We're talking sometimes doubling or even tripling the cost you had in your head. So the solution here is actually pretty simple. Just ask, itemize, and confirm. Have a direct conversation about what is included in the base price, then get every single upgrade you want along with its specific cost listed as its own line item in that contract before you sign. Look at this table. It really puts it all in perspective, doesn't it? These aren't just small oopsies. They are budget-destroying errors that can turn a fantastic investment into a huge liability. You know, this pro tip from the folks at Screen Factory Florida just hits the nail on the head. It's not your job to be an expert on building codes or structural engineering. It's your contractor's job. Your job is to hire the right one. At the end of the day, avoiding all these costly mistakes really comes down to one thing: working with true professionals who manage every single detail, from the very first permit to the final inspection. Doing it right the first time isn't just about saving money. It's about the peace of mind you get from knowing you have a safe, compliant, and beautiful enclosure that your family will enjoy completely worry-free for many years to come.